Ladies and gentlemen, Gaazhagens, cat. This is Bagheera. What's going on, brother? And today's Ojibwe word of the day. Gaazhagens, cat. Hey, where you going? I tell you, it's not easy working with these amateurs. All right. Hey, I smell something. Oh, I guess it's a cat. Where you going? Do you want to announce the show? I suppose I could. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to... Oh, for crying out loud. There goes the fan, boss. You know what? I bet you it won't even pick up. Are you sure? I kind of feel like I should wait for the fan to stop running. Okay, either way.
Welcome to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO. I said, welcome to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO. Name and Wyndham, G-A-I-1-O-Man-Goo. Hey everybody!
Where you going? Come here. Come here once. I just got the camera set up. This was perfect. Thanks.
We can just cut this part out in editing, right? Yeah, but sometimes I just leave it in because who cares?
Hello, everybody. This is Bagheera. And he's a Gaazhagens. He's a cat. And that's our word for today. Cat. Gaazhagens. But there goes the fan. I wonder if that's going to be on there. Where you go? I tell you, it's not easy working with these amateurs. Hey, do you mind? Come here once. I want to interview you. Gaazhagens. Hey, Bagheera. What's going on?